unit here in Destin. So look at in our background. You can see the emerald color of the sea and the white sand. So
Yeah, so Joy, since nandito kami sa Destin, we thought of, we prepare something seafood.
seafood, yes. I know, right? So, ano ba yun the best na pwede natin gawin dito?
Because yung friend namin, Teresa, recommended we should prepare seafood or shrimp ceviche. So,
We
kumakain
will
ba
be
kayo
making,
nun?
yes. Oh yeah, Robbie's
yeah.
favorite. I know for sure.
Lutan.
So,
Yeah, try din ako.
we will make shrimp ceviche. This is from Teresa's recipe, one of our friends. That's our hair. But Teresa, thank you so much for sharing this recipe with us. So we will be showing that to you in a moment. Okay. For the meantime, we'll just enjoy the weather and the wind.
And the view.
And the view, of course.
Cheers to that. Cheers.
Cheers!
Life in Florida.
Yeah.
Okay, Joy.
Alright, Marie, for our shrimp ceviche, we will need raw shrimp. This is about 1 pound. Lots of lime. We need a lot of lime because we will marinate. We'll cook the shrimp sa lime. And then we'll need bunch of cilantro, but we're not gonna use the whole thing. Maybe it's just half. Cucumber, 2 tomatoes, 1 jalapeno.
pepper.
Depends how spicy you want. And then half of the red onions.
And then some of them they use mangoes, but today we're gonna use pineapple. And chop natin yan,
We'll chop
right?
that.
We'll chop that. And we need 2 avocados, tostadas, salt and pepper, and hot sauce, but that is optional.
If you want spicy,
Spicy.
you can put that on top of your ceviche. Alright, so Marie, let's
Let's
start
go!
making. Yes.
Okay, I'm excited to taste this, Joy.
Alright, so I'm just chopping.
Hindi mas small, big
Oo.
chops pala.
Parang chunk lang, para
Oo.
bite size.
Gusto mo ba tulungan kita,
Sure.
Joy?
Would be
Okay,
nice if you
dito tayo.
okay. Parang hatiin lang natin siya. I know
Into
it's a
half?
tiny.
Into half
Or
or
you
ganyan-ganyan?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay.
Pero huwag masyadong
Huwag
maliit.
maliit?
Mm.
Ang bilitan ko.
Pero gusto mo rin na maliit para madali siyang
Maluto.
maluto sa
Okay.
lime natin.
Okay.
Now, this is the one we're gonna be using to marinate. Just gonna wash this cutting board. Alright, so next is gonna be the lime. So let's roll it.
I-roll pa natin, Joy.
Yeah, roll natin para
Why are we
natin.
rolling this?
So we can get all the juice. Tsaka para mag-soften siya. Pag matigas, it's hard to get all the juices. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this.
Oh.
Okay.
Cut it, cut it.
I think we need a bit.
Joy, ito na lang. Use this.
Sorry guys, this is not obviously our kitchen.
Yeah, I'll still massage.
Alright, so ang laki nito. Look at this lime.
Parang
Ang laki, diba? Parang siyang lemon.
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
So, that should be good. Let's
Should move
see
it.
kasi. Tingnan natin to.
Squeeze.
See, ang daming lemon.
Oh, ano
See?
mo? Muscles ni Joy lumalabas.
Oo nga. Hindi ako mamasa.
Hindi natin dinala yung squeezer natin eh.
Yes.
Oh, that's what one. Okay. That's okay. Hindi pala makapress. Maybe we should call
Kaya
the
rin
boys.
natin yan.
Okay.
Oh, diba? Ang daming juice. May tricks din dyan. Help you
Oh,
with
ano?
the tricks.
Okay.
Fork! Let's try it. Ano?
Mm.
Na.
Kung wala kayong squeezer,
Ano po? Mukhang jellyfish to. Chung, chung.
Okay.
Ah, sige. Try ko to. Hindi nga ma-press eh. Oops. Bali na lang. Pati akong namamarinate eh.
Ayun na. Okay, let me wash my hands.
Will it, change color?
Yes, pag luto na siya.
It will turn pink?
It's gonna be pink.
Wow.
Yeah, so it should be good. We'll marinate it. So while this is marinating from the juice, magkakat tayo, mag-chop tayo ng mga other ingredients. So now we're gonna cut the cucumber and the tomatoes.
So, peel first ako ha.
Yeah, peel ka niyan. Then after our tomato.
Okay din yung peel niya ha. Easy lang.
Ito, tomatoes. We need to take the
Seeds.
buto, seeds. So let me grab. Para hindi, you know why? Para hindi siya matubig masyado. So tatanggalin natin yung seeds. Kuhain lang natin.
Itong cucumber is very refreshing.
Oo, pang crunch yan.
Pang crunch.
Tawasan natin na magtutubig na natin. So you can just scrape it off like this. See? Tubig talaga yung
Ang seeds na yun.
cucumber. And then you do it like this. Sana
I can
may mga
remove it.
talas na ano.
I can remove it still. See? Right?
Yeah. So just like this, Miss Marie. This is your bowl. Just put it here.
Let me just remove.
Alright, so we'll cut. Maybe we'll just use half of this red onion. Let's see. Alright.
Si Mon ba yun?
Nope.
Yep.
Parang Vincent.
Si Parang Vincent. Si Mon yun eh.
Oh yeah?
Pero si Vincent dapat English.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, I thought it was English.
Wow. So, are we going to Alvin's Island later?
Yeah, I need to get something there.
Anong bibilin mo dun, Joy?
Sophia wants something for her friend.
Naiiyak ako dyan sa onion mo, Joy.
Ha? Oh, naiiyak. Hindi ako.
Ang sakit sa mata.
Suot ka ng shades.
Oh my gosh. Ina-avoid ko nga siya. Ako naman pa rin ang ano. So now, it's jalapeno time. Oh my. Joy, paano mo ito ginawa? Okay. And then, how do I remove you? Ooh. Crunchy. Let me see if I can remove this like this. Ta-da-dan! Struggle pala itong kutsilyong to. There.
Alright, Marie, as you can see,
Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng pagkaayos ni Joy.
medyo pink na ang ating shrimp.
Yes.
So we will add the rest of our ingredients here. But first, let's lagyan natin siya ng
Salt and pepper.
pepper. Para magkalasa na ang ating shrimp. Don't worry, this is not a lot. Kasi may lime. Hindi
Meron ba?
marami yun kasi maliit yung butas. Alright, and then we'll add the pepper. Okay. Meron pa rin
Mahirap,
malaking
no?
butas eh.
So, hirap talaga pag hindi mo ang gamit. You can do it.
Okay, we'll add. So now we're gonna add tomato. All that. And then our onions. So maybe try to mix that.
Pwede pa sa
Yeah. Let's just dump everything.
Okay.
Para masarap. Okay, and this is half of the jalapeno because Mary doesn't like too spicy, but this jalapeno will soak ng
Parang napapashake ako sa'yo eh.
ng lemon.
Okay.
So, lagyan natin mga ganyan lang muna. So, mix it. And then, we'll add our cucumber.
Cucumbers. Okay.
Okay, yes. Thank you.
Okay. Now,
So, now you mix it more. Yum. Smells good. Then, lalagay natin ang ating pineapple.
pineapple, everything.
This, yeah, the whole thing. Kasi this will add more sweetness
I like
sa
that.
ating
Okay.
ceviche. But, you know, if you want mango, you can use mango. For our
Yes.
chains,
Vanilla mango.
no, yung green, yung green
in-
siya.
Ano ba yun?
I don't know, it's a green mango, what we have here.
Okay.
At saka pang-color na rin, di ba? Parang siyang fiesta.
Itong cilantro.
And then cilantro, can you mix everything first and then we'll taste it. Then, kasi kailangan medyo mix ang asin,
Saltiness.
salt, and then yung sweetness niya.
Okay.
Some people, you can also add sugar if you want, but we can try that later once everything is marinated. And then pepper. And then we can add our cilantro. Let's see, baka masyadong nakat kung
Sarap
marami.
na to.
Cilantro.
Sige lang.
Ayan.
Kulang
Para
pa.
siyang fiesta. Oh, Marie loves cilantro.
Ay.
Baka naman maging shrimp to with cilantro na hindi
Cilantro with shrimp.
ceviche shrimp. I mean cilantro. Okay. So, yep. So we will continue marinating this
In the
and then in the
refrigerator.
refrigerator at least an hour. 30 to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour. And then etong avocado, when it's ready to serve, we'll cut this in cubes and we'll put it on top of our ceviche. So we'll show you that
So
later.
is this enough?
That should be enough, and we'll cover it and refrigerate it.
Wow!
So if you want a kick, we'll add a little bit sauce. Just a little bit, like that. Si Mary nababa yung mata niya. Nakala ko, that's enough, Joy. Right, just like that. And then you can also add the sauce later sa tostadas nyo.
So kanya-kanya na lang.
Kanya-kanya na lang.
On your own.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we will marinate it
Let's marinate this
for an
for
hour
an hour.
and put it in the refrigerator
Yeah.
and cover it, right?
We'll cover it.
Okay.
And then we'll serve it. We'll serve this later on with our
Tostadas
tostada and then
and
our
avocados.
avocado.
Okay. So a few moments later.
Alright, our ceviche is done. So Maria is getting our ceviche, and then while she's getting that, I'm going to cut in half our avocado. Wow, look at that.
Pwede ko bang
Yeah,
mix?
you can mix it in. Okay.
So ganda talaga ang ano niya, kulay niya,
Yeah,
pinkish
pink
na.
siya.
It smells good.
And then this avocado, we'll put it on top.
On top of this.
Yeah, we can mix it. So make sure you slice the avocado. Okay. Right.
That's it.
Yes. Yes. Get this other half.
Yum. I can't remember talaga na I tasted it.
There you go. There's our tostada. Somebody did the
Just
honors.
scoop it like
Don't
that.
put the
No,
water. Yeah, the juice. Normally we don't have
slotted
slotted spoon. So
Fix mo na lang.
okay, we can just use this. That's You guys can add hot sauce if you like spicy, but Marie and Lee doesn't like too much spicy food. So you can just adjust. This is optional. So since
This is good. We can serve it.
oh yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. You wanna put it?
Okay, yeah, you can put it there, and then I will add more. Yeah, wow, look at that.
Kanina tong may hot sauce.
Yes, kay Raphne yan.
Ito,
walang hot
walang
sauce
hot
yan.
sauce. Lee. Ito kay Raphne. Ano yung kay Raphne dyan? Kay Lee yan eh.
It's fine. How about you?
Ito.
We can just give it to them.
Wait, ito yung may hot sauce eh.
Ito yung hot sauce.
Oh, so Raphne and you are hot sauce. Oh no. How are we gonna like let them open? Oh, pwede palang paahin. This is with hot sauce. You like hot sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, this is
Hot sauce.
Oh
this is
wow.
mine.
That's good.
If you like more hot sauce, we have
Oh,
this.
thank you. Wow. Thank you.
Hawakan mo yung
Oh,
hot
good.
sauce.
Did you make this?
Okay.
I'll make my hot sauce.
Right. Hey. Come on, try it.
No, you want hot sauce.
Good.
Perfect. Perfect with your beer. How about you? You want more hot sauce, Jim? No, you're good.
It's really good. Oh yeah.
Yes?
Can I have another? That was really good.
Oh yes, 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 Joy. Joy, we have one more order.
They're really the most beautiful
There you
person.
go. Vince,
Thank you.
I had an order for you. And guys, hope you like our ceviche. Try it and then share your photos and comments if you like to try it.
Hi everyone, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button. Bye guys.
See you guys next time. Bye from Destin. Woo!
Shout out to Game.